Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel 3D Parametric Solid Model Drawings. Today we will create a model suspension spring in SolidWorks, which is taken from our model suspension assembly. Since many times more viewers said to me that why we had not made the separate video of suspension spring. So today I will make a video of this model. Okay, alright. If you want to get the file of this model, I have given the link address in the description of my video. By visiting that link, you can get it easily. Let's start the tutorial. Now we will create a new part file in SolidWorks. Click OK. Now we will go to the Edit Document Units tab. Activate the IPS option and set the decimal value up to 4 places on here. Click OK. Now we will change the scene of my background. Now select the backdrop studio room option. Okay, it looks great. Now we will select the front plane to start the new sketch. Create a vertical line on here. And fix the coincident relation between the midpoint of this line and part origin. Its length will keep 1 inch. Now we will create 2 circles on here. Its diameter will keep 0.043 inches. Now we will apply the equal relation on these 2 circles. Select the center points of the circles. Make vertical. Create a point on this circle. Okay, create one more point on here. Apply the tangent relation on these 2 circles. Now we will select this point and the end point of the line. Fix the horizontal relation between them. Okay, that's it. Convert the center line into construction geometry. Now select this point and the center construction line and fix the diameter dimension. It will keep 0.55 inches. Now we will choose zoom to fit option. Okay, alright. My sketch is fully defined in the design window. So we will exit from the sketching environment. Now choose an isometric view. We will activate the plane command from here. At first, we will select the center point of the top circle. Okay. Then next, we will select the top plane and click OK. Now see here, plane has been created over the center point of the circle, which is made parallel from the top plane. We will create a new sketch on this plane for making helix cross section. Okay, create a circle from the part origin and snap it on the center point of the top circle. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Hide the visibility of this work plane. Okay, we will go back to my base sketch and convert the lower circle into construction geometry. Because the helix spiral tool will not select the sketch properly. Okay, that's it. Finish the sketch. Now we will activate the helix spiral tool from here. First of all, we will select this circle for helix cross section. Okay, now see the helical curve preview is visible here in the design window. Set the height and revolution option under the define by area. Fix the height value 1 inch and set the revolution value 5. Then fix the start angle value to 70 degrees. Now see the helix direction is visible on here. And click OK. Save the PAR file with the name suspension spring. Click save. Okay, that's it. Now we will activate the set boss base command. Okay, first of all, we will select the small circle from here, which will keep as a profile. And then next, select the helix curve from here, which will keep as a path. Okay, that's it. Now you can see in the design window, my set boss base feature preview is visible here, and click OK to finish the command. Now see the result, my suspension spring has been created successfully on here. Okay, alright, it looks great. Now we will activate the document properties button on here. Go to the image quality section and here we will increase the shaded and draft quality of the spring model so that the edges of my model look very good. And click OK. Now see the result. Now we will change the material of the model as chromium plate. Okay, my model is looking perfect. Let's start the sketch over this plane. Open the visibility of sketch 1. In the same manner, we will create one more helix cross section on here that we had done previously. Okay, alright. Activate the helix spiral tool from here and select the circle. Now activate the reverse direction button on here. Okay. Select the pitch and revolution option. Fix the pitch value 0.043 plus 0.001 inch and set the revolution value to. Choose the counterclockwise option and click OK. Now see. In the same manner, we will create another sweep boss base feature like this. Okay, it is looking very fine. Start the sketch over the front plane. Take the project of the entire model by activating the intersection curve command. Enable the section view on here. Now we will rotate the model in this position. Convert all the sketches into construction geometry. Now we draw a rectangle on here. And fix the tangent relation between this rectangle line and this curve. Okay, alright. Finish the sketch. Choose an isometric view. Select the line of the rectangle and start the Extrude Cut command. Now we will choose the through all both option and click OK. Now see, my bottom surface of the spring model is plain on here, so that we will place the spring easily on my suspension assembly. Okay, that's it. Open the visibility of sketch 4. Create a new plane over the top end of the spring like this, which will be made parallel to the top plane. Start the sketch over this plane. Now we will create another circle over this plane for creating a helix cross section. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Activate the helix tool and select this circle. Same values will keep on here. Deactivate the reverse direction option and choose the clockwise option and click OK. Create a new sketch over the top face of the spring and take the project on this edge. Okay, that's it. Finish the sketch. Now we will create another swept boss base feature like this. And now we will open the visibility of sketch 4. Okay, and activate the plane command. Now select this point. Okay, and select this point and select the third point. Okay, alright. Okay, now see the result. My 3-point work plane has been created on here. Let's start the sketch over this plane. In the same manner, we will plane the top face of the spring by using the Extrude Cut command that we had done over the bottom face. Finally, my suspension spring has been completed in SolidWorks. I hope you understand this video easily. If you may like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please share this video your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, goodbye.